have a July empties video. Hey guys, it's April and welcome back to my channel. So before I get started today's video, I just want to remind you guys to hit the subscribe button down below. I'd really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys all my empties from the month of July. This is anywhere from like kind of health related to beauty related. I have a ton of empties from July. I have so many empties, you guys. Without further ado, let's just get started with today's video. Today's video is going to be my July empties video. I do have a total of 32 empties, you guys, and 13 of them were part of my Finish 40 project, which I am now finished with. I only had to finish up 9 for the month of July, but I did end up finishing up 13, which I just realized right before filming this video, and I was like, oh my gosh, like I guess I could have made like my Finish 40 update a lot sooner than I thought. But anyways, so I'm just going to start up here. So my first empty was the Gingham Fine Fragrance Mist, which I really liked. A little life hack for figuring out how much you have product left with a label like this where it goes like really far down. It's just putting the bottle upside down and seeing where the liquid falls up at the top part. So I hope that helps some of you guys. I like Gingham. I feel like it's very similar to Happy Vibes, but I do like Happy Vibes a little bit better. Up next I had a banana hair mask, which if you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you guys would know that I love these. This is my second favorite hair mask after the bamboo one from Bath & Body Works. I feel like it does a great job softening your hair, or at least my hair, and it smells really good. It smells like a mixture of bananas and Beach Night Summer Marshmallow. Up next I have a Happy Vibes miniature shower gel, which I really enjoyed. I love Happy Vibes. It's definitely like a really great summer scent. Up next I have a miniature pink chiffon fine fragrance mist that I finished up. This is a really old scent. It was from when I was in high school and it was really good. As I got towards like the bottom of it, I was like starting to feel like some like nostalgia type of vibes from like high school because I used to wear that scent like almost every single day. So it totally brought me back. Up next I have the Aromatherapy Love shower gel and lotion. This was really hard to empty out, the lotion, you guys. I had to keep putting it upside down and like it wouldn't just like fall out, so I had to like kind of go inside the bottle and like get up the last bits of it, but I couldn't get that little like part right there, but I really still can't. I hope you guys can tell, but this is like 99% empty, so I was just kind of like, okay, this is empty. But I do love the Aromatherapy Love scent. It's rose and vanilla and it smells amazing. Up next I finished up my Velvet Sugar shower gel, lotion, and fine fragrance mist. This scent is very good. It smells kind of like a sweet type of I would say maybe more like a cotton candy type of scent, but not like Boardwalk Marshmallow Clouds. It's just different, like maybe like a strawberry type of sweet scent, but like heavier, so maybe like a mixture of cotton candy and strawberry. It's really good. I think that this is a great scent to use all year round, but especially during February. Up next I have the Boardwalk Marshmallow Clouds body lotion and the fine fragrance mist. The scent is amazing. I do have backups of this scent. It's really nice for the summertime and I really enjoyed using it. And then my last two for body care was the Beach Night Summer Marshmallow shower gel and the matching shade cream. That was my only shade cream that I have. I did have another one, but I ended up giving it to my mom because she really likes the scent too, and she definitely prefers the shade creams over the body lotions. And I have a ton of Beach Nights, but this one started to turn color and I was afraid that this one was going to start going bad, so that's why I tried to use them up. And I love using this scent. This is my #1 favorite scent. It literally smells so amazing and it's so much fun to use during the summer, but I definitely do wear it all year round. Up next I have 2 of the Colgate Cavity Protection toothpaste that I used up. Seems to be working and no complaints. Up next, this was a car scent. I cannot even remember what this car scent was. This is actually from Brian's car and I just replaced it with a watermelon lemonade one for him, so he's really excited that he has a new scent in his car. Up next I finished up 4 hand soaps this month. This is the Kitchen Lemon, Banana Flower, Boardwalk Vanilla Cone, and Honolulu Sun. The Kitchen Lemon is just always nice to have for the kitchen. The Banana Flower is super amazing. I highly recommend this one. It just smells really good. The Boardwalk Vanilla Cone, you cannot go wrong with this scent. They have it like pretty much every summer in the pocket back and in the hand soap, and I love that scent. Honolulu scent ended up being really good. I am glad that we got 2 of these because this is just like a really nice scent for summer. Up next, I have 2 impress nails that I used up. This one was the pedicure version. I do have extras in here because in the toes they only give you 24 nails instead of 30, so I am only able to get 2 pedicures out of this, but I feel like most people would be only able to get like maybe 1 pedicure out of this. I feel like the sizing like needs to be a little bit more variety. All the big toes are too big for me, so I kind of have to like cut the actual nail before I put it on. I am still trying to get the hang of these. I don't want to make a video about how to do them yet until I have it like down for how I'd put them on for myself. But I do like how these look, and nobody can tell that they're press-on, so that's really good, and they did last me a while. This one was the pink leopard print ones. This was fun to use during the summertime, but I don't think that I would buy this print again just because it's like so incredibly bright. But yeah, I don't know if like I'm into that kind of like look anymore. Maybe if I was a little bit younger, like that might have totally been like right up my alley. I feel like that this is as bright as I'll go, and I really like the accent nail on this one better than on this one. Up next, I have 2 of the Pocket Back Future Misses because I am currently engaged right now, so I am just using these up until the end of our engagement when we get married. So yeah, but these are super cute, and they are in the scent Pretty as a Peach, and they smell good. So to pair up with that, I was using the Pretty as a Peach hand cream. I am currently using the Rose Quartz one now, which the packaging is like so beautiful. I just wanted to mention, but yeah, this scent is really good. Up next, I used up 2 mascaras. This one is the Monsieur Big Mascara by Lancome. I feel like this one dried up like really quickly. I was only able to get around like a month's use out of it before it dried up. And then this one I'd already been using for a while. This is the Bad Gal Bang by Benefit, which is my new favorite mascara. It's amazing, you guys. This is my new #1 favorite. So if you guys need any like good mascara recommendations, I'd recommend this one. I've only tried it in the mini because I've heard that getting minis are better than getting full size. So anyways, I did like this a lot in the mini. I haven't tried it in the full size yet though. Up next, I had the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil, which I really liked. This is in the shade Ash Brown. I bought tons of these. They are an amazing dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I really like it. My mom uses it too. And then I finished up 2 of the Ulta Beauty on-the-go cleaning makeup remover facial towelettes, and you can't go wrong with makeup wipes, but I am probably going to be switching back to the e.l.f. ones just because they are cheaper. I just realized I forgot to mention that I did empty out 3 candles. So the first one that I emptied out was the Cannoli and Chocolate Italy candle. This literally smells like chocolate, and it was really good. Up next, I emptied out the Champagne Toast candle. This one is amazing. Brian and I love this candle from top to like the bottom. It never smells burnt. It always just smells amazing, and it has a great throw. And then the last candle that I used up was the Banana Bundt Cake candle, but this one was like a really big letdown for me. I would definitely only give it a 2 or 3 out of 10 just because the throw is terrible, but smelling it on cold, it smells amazing. I just wish that it had a better throw. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a glamorous rest of your day. Bye!